unit test is to ensure the code still function as expected after making some changes. And so we are going to demonstrate how to do the unit test in Python. So first we create a folder, the project folder. So we type learned unit test. And then we type cd learned unit test to enter the project. And then we type code dot to open the VS Code. So after we create the project, we can create a file called maybe we create a file called area.py, and then the other file is test area.py, and then we go to here and define a new function, define calculate quadrilateral area, and then we pass the length and width, and then we return the length. So this is of course a wrong calculations because we want to demonstrate how to fix it with the unit test. Maybe this is using the pine lint, so there are some blue marks here. Maybe we ignore these, and later we will, for example, we go to the pine lint, and then we disable these functions, and then we reload, and then we go to the test area.py, and then we import the unit test. And because we are going to test the area.py, so we have to import the area modules, and then we create the class, and then test area unit test dot test case, and then we define the test area functions, and then we pass the self, and then we are going to check self dot assert, and then we pass the area because we are going to test using the area functions to calculate cost area. So we use dot and then paste the function, and then we pass the 2 and 3, and then the correct answer should be 2 times 3 is 6. And then we are going to check if the name is equal to main, so this will execute when this is executed directly. And then we are going to do the unit test dot main, and then we can now go to the terminals, and then we type Python test area.py, and now you can see the answer is 2, which is not equal to 6. So this is fail. So now if we go back to the areas and then times width, and then we go to Python test area, and now you can see the ran test in almost 0 seconds, and this is okay. And so this is how to do the unit test in Python.